Hello everyone, my name is and today I will be presentation a comprehensive analysis of three intelligent testing methodologies. Okay, we will see the first page is about the intelligent testing technicals. Yeah, testing development, behavior driven development, and assessment testing driver development. You can to make a decision about the three functions development. In addition, product testing is not a sprite perhaps it is a continuous activity that ensures quality at every stage. Intelligent testing enhances collaborations, fast feedback, and alignment with business values among the many technicals and supports intelligent principles. Three standard out of their system approach to testing and collaborations. We can call it slow and small name. We can call it TDD, BDD, and ATDD. Yes, each focuses on a different aspect of the software development principle, from code design to behaviors and user segments. Yes, we will see the next page. This is I will to introduce the TDD is the test driver development. I will to introduce this part in a decision principle and approach. Cover loop is we can let me say how can we to how can we to make an example? We can use the red, green, and refactors. Write a following unit site test is red and make a pass with modern code. We can hit green. So if your computer page to show the red is maybe your programming is following unit test, and if it is green and it shows the path with the minimal code. Refactors will keeping test green refactors. Design energies through small steps. Tests specific codes behaviors at the unit level. High enhance on development ownerships and fast feedback. Yes, TDD benefit and drawbacks. We can call it pros and conditions. Yes, we should say the BDD is behavior driven development. Used from his name, you can know the behavior. What's the behavior? Yes, and it's all the design from the behaviors, collaborations, discovers, and to the others. We can call it BDD, evaluate from the TDD, but shift the focus from the testing code to specifications, behaviors. It promotes the use of the unicorns. Language share by development testers and business analysts. The core practice involves writing scenarios in a format called green codes, which use the given when-then structures. For example, give register users when they log in with how can we to say this? Surveillance encryptions. Then they should say their behaviors and dashboards. Those necessities are the expected specifications, the descriptions, except system behaviors in the business terms. Yes. Yes, we can say the business benefit and drawbacks. I will to introduce share language, tenors, collaborations, and others. Unfortunately, to set up and add some things. Living documents for significations, power writing the sincerely become the behaviors and others. Yes, I will say the third method is accept test drivers development or ATDD. Yes, accepted test driver development is behavior and faster than the TDD. Yes, you know exceptionals. It is important about the task and others. TDD ensures that the development starts with a clearly understanding of successful status and then the developer's software meets business expectations. Tools like the fitness or robot frameworks and often used to the academic exception testings. The benefit of ATDD is increasing the best stakeholder leaders and clearly requirements and reduce renewal works. It is especially the efficiency in the domain and where the comprehensions or the contract acceptance is important. On the downside, I accept test driver development requirements conscious involvement from the product owners and careful the management of test data and something complex test environment. Without strong functions, the process can show the down or lose functions. Okay, we will to make comprehensions side by side. Yes, you can choose the expected. We can choose from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 functions about this. Its primary focus test authors specification styles when most informations integer aces and learning covers. Its coding design unit coefficients. You can to say the main informations from this table. You can get your want informations. Okay, this is another table. It's about the good for. Yes, it's the good, interesting for is the advantage. You can to leverage customers facing customers regulars domains. Yes, you can to choose your want tools in the taste table. It's good for your customers. Okay, real-world evidence and case manifestations. TDD, BDD, and ATDD, you can to get some more information in this because in the front I introduced to the this. Okay, key takeaways. No seller build shows the based on the problem, team scales, and concentrates. TDD excels at the code design qualities. BDD excels to share understanding. ATDD ensures the outcome match user intent. Combine them ATDD and BDD for the discovers acceptance. TDD is driven implementations. Smart start smile measure result definitions time rework and evaluation. It's the key takeaways about the 3 functions. Yes, this is a reference. That's okay. It's finished.